There's a password to skip this. You can pretend you did it. Okay. Password. I mean, at that point, was this playtest? Like, I think that day, every playtester who played this at Midway Studios, they were just like, they were just super players. Like, they were all omnipotent super players, you know?
Who is it? Oh, no!
That's the level we were at. No, oh, is this a sewer? Okay, so I guess after we killed him, quote unquote. Oh my god, sewer level. It's a. This level is even worse. This is the last level. Wait, what? This is level 4. So wait, no, this is the last level. No. Okay, now I need to see if people are fucking with me. Wait a minute. Let's see a speedrun of this. Yeah, just run over him. Yeah, exactly. Just fucking skip through everything. Screw it. Yeah, I'm gonna see him kill Scorpion. Okay, you can kind of glitch him out if you do this. A good game. Well, guys, look how good I'm playing now. Look how good I'm playing. You got so good at this, Joel. Oh, look! Look at this! Look! He's even kicking his ass. Oh! What? Oh, fuck out of here! Yeah, right. Like any human being can do this. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. What? Yeah, right. Get the fuck out of here. What? Yeah. Real easy, huh? Uh-huh. He just dances around. He doesn't give a fuck. It's Tess. It's fucking Tess. Yeah, get out of here. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I wanna see him do the swinging ones. Okay, let's see him do the it's gonna be like the most clean thing ever. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Whoa. Right on the edge. Okay, let's see him kick this guy's ass. I'm genuinely real curious how this is gonna go. Stop dancing, alright? You're making a mockery out of me, alright? And keep in mind, this is like still a lot of the game left. That was not the last. Oh, I want to try that out. Jesus, dude. It's right on the edge. Okay. Excuse me. Is this supposed to happen? He explodes. Wowie. And the whole game is just a bunch of like hard to do stuff, essentially, really. And eventually, you know, you reach the other platforms you gotta jump over in this game. It's just platforms. And eventually you'll get to wait, I know this character. She's Scarlet? No. Finally a fatality. Here he is. Here's Shinnok. Oh my god. He's beautiful. Bye.
Here. The amulet.
Impressive, Sub Zero.
Oh,
Perhaps
Raiden.
you'll reconcile your reckless past after all.
That's it? Not even a thank you?
Thank yourself for undoing a problem that you created.
Quan Chi told me that you sent me because my soul was tainted with evil. Is that true?
You are a superb warrior, Sub-Zero. Only you can control your destiny.
I love his eyes.
Not even the gods can alter your chosen path in life.
Was that a yes? Or a no?
That was a yes,
Why is Jay Leno playing
but
Raiden?
only you can change it.
Oh god. I guess it's the ending, so let's find out.
I vow to serve and obey the Lin Kuei.
Welcome back. It seems your exploits have caught the eye of another sorcerer. I would like you to meet the retainer of your services.
Oh, Shang Tsung.
His name is Shang Tsung.
Guys, do you think this beard is real?
He would like you to compete in a small tournament. It's called Mortal Kombat.
Get the things and then roll credits after. I like to protect. Mortal Kombat. Hulk Monk. Peking Palace. Portage. I have an idea. Wait. This was the place? This was the place? I can actually look up the restaurant that's in this place. Wait. Here it is. Here it is. Peking Palace. Alright, let's look at some reviews. Went there with a group of 12 from excellent stuff. Had a great time. Yeah, they also do Mortal Kombat games. Excellent food. Oh, this is like a killer place. Too much gravy. Uh-oh, too much gravy. Great, authentic, trustable, shiny. Trustable? What the fuck does this mean? Trustable in quotation marks. Anyway, what I want to do now is I want to check out the I want to check out the rest of the cutscenes because I want to get the full. And after, oh, here we go. Here's what we haven't seen yet. This is where we left off. Bottom, bum, bum, bum. Watch out for the spikes. Alright. Kablamo. Kablooey. I love that cheap plastic. It looks like mom cut it out with a pair of scissors.
The amulet! I have Shinnok's amulet!
Whose amulet?
He is my deity, ruler of the Netherrealm, and soon destroyer of your Earthrealm.
What are you talking about?
This amulet, it is the King Shinnok's power as an Elder God. When returned to him, he will regain his powers and be freed from the confines of the Netherrealm.
Like porn acting, man.
I thought Shao Kahn was the...
Shao Kahn is nothing but a peasant ruler of a long-dead realm. Shinnok is the destroyer of all realms, including Khan's outworld.
Destroyer of all realms. You are insane. That amulet isn't worth the bronze it's molded from.
Believe what you will, Sub-Zero.
I like his gap in his teeth. Tooth.
Goodbye, Ninja.
Oh. All by myself. Oh, hello.
Do you realize what you've done?
I was gonna say something funny, but then I realized this freeze frame is funnier. Cause like, Sub-Zero's like, what the fuck?
I was just earning my living.
Your
I was gonna say like, who are you?
plan's ignorance and greed will cost this entire realm. You'll now have to set things straight.
God, Raiden's
Quan
shit.
Chi could simply be a lunatic sorcerer. I never heard of an elder god named Shinnok, or of a place called the Netherrealm.
You better start believing in both, because you're going to the Netherrealm, and you're going to bring back the amulet.
Oh my god. The Crimson Chin, ass Raiden.
I have no dominion in the Netherrealm. You are reality's only hope.
I'll do it, Thunder God. Only because I don't have a choice.
Then stand back. This is a portal into the Netherrealm. Once through, follow Quan Chi, and try to get the amulet before he gives it to Shinnok. I also have this advice. Beware!
I can't hear you!
The Netherrealm
It's too
is
loud!
for lost souls. If
What
you
the
fail,
fuck are you saying?
as well as
What?
the souls.
What?
Entire realm.
Okay, I'll do it, but I didn't hear what you said!
He says escape is futile.
Oh god. There he is.
Who are you?
A lost soul. The guard is right, you know. Where would you
Oh
escape
no,
to?
the acting of this guy.
If you are here, then you must belong here. Rejected from your own realm.
Whose dentist is this? Whose dentist that had to pull out of like hours to like, yo, can you be a crusty wizard? Okay. Okay, I'll do it.
No doubt.
I wasn't rejected. I was sent.
Rejected or sent. You couldn't exist here unless your soul contained the impurities of evil.
Haven't you ever tried to escape, old man?
Escape. Oh, I'll be leaving this realm shortly. But first, I must play Raiden's game.
It's like a very cheap Palpatine they got. This is the Peking Palace manager. It's the Peking Palace manager. He's the guy who gave them all the Kung Pao chicken. Hey man, we're running out of actors. You want to be in this? Okay.
Don't bother worrying about escape.
Scorpion.
Who are you?
I am a dead man. But somehow you have retained your mortality, which would mean you are vulnerable to death. I am Scorpion. You killed me in cold blood.
I had no choice.
Can't see shit.
Let me live.
Then I would be the dead one.
But my clan and family would still be alive.
What?
It wasn't enough to kill me. You had to destroy every last remnant of my being, including my wife and child.
You're mistaken. Quan Chi is responsible for their deaths.
Words will not save you. Lin Kuei, warrior.
Welcome to the Pyramid Zone. Oh, it's H.R. Giger. Don't fall off that. Get some guardrails.
A mortal has escaped from the prison of souls. He is headed towards the sea of immortality.
Immortal?
Yes, a mortal, with the ability to freeze.
Alert the keepers and send a full garrison.
Wind chimes, everybody.
Make sure that he does not cross the bridge.
The keepers? But he's just a mortal.
Do not question me, Serena.
My finger points.
More importantly, do not fail me. We have toyed with the ninja long enough.
So he just sits around on a piece of metal bridge all day. Zoop. This is Captain Planet. I have the power! Zoop. The Triforce.
Welcome to my home, Sub-Zero.
His eyebrows.
If you're still looking for the amulet, you can find it at the pyramid's apex. Around Shinnok's neck. You've arrived a little late.
I was busy.
Don't you realize why
My finger
Raiden
points.
sent you? The Netherrealm is a
You can literally
place
just push him off and you'd win. You just go, foop.
You cannot exist here unless you were tainted with evil. You belong here. Join my brothers of the Shadow and worship our Lord Shinnok.
Never, sorcerer.
Then, so it shall be, ninja.
Are they gonna kiss or what? Bye!
Why did you help me?
You are still immortal. That means you can escape the Netherrealm.
There won't be anywhere to go if I don't get the amulet back. You don't understand. I can't leave without it.
Oh my god. I'm over here now.
Here. The amulet.
Impressive, Sub-Zero. Perhaps you'll reconcile your reckless past after all.
That's it? Not even a thank you?
Well, we've seen this. Wait, what is this? Hey, what's this? What's this at the end? Huh? John Tobias, Corncart King of Greater Chicagoland, became head roadie for The Who. What? Gained 300 pounds on sausage diet. Oh, Joshua! God damn it! That's why Peking Palace went out of business. He ate all the sausages. Became head aerobics instructor at local gym. Oh, Bill. Oh, Bill. Nobody knows what happened to Eugene. He's in the mystery zone. It's in your book. The spokesman of Council for Abstinence, Richard who? Alright, Chairman of Congress submitted for video game violence. Uh-oh. Oh my god. They even knew that was the time where Mortal Kombat got a lot of shit. Oh, they were taking a piss out of it. Eugene is stuck in the mystery zone. He'll never recover. Okay, we've seen the fucking previews for this. We got bloopers?
I am a freak.
Oh, they were taking the piss.
I heard things. I heard things. I heard things.
You are reality's only hope.
I'll do it, Thunder God. Because I don't...
Not only is it tripping, yes, but it's true. I was thinking they were going, but it's right. Oh, right. You can't hear anything. Oh my god.
It's only hope.
I'll do it, Thunder God. Because I don't... You don't understand. I can't leave without the...
This should be canon. This should just be canon.
Sub-Zero. You can trust the sorcerer sometimes. Hold on, you guys got me now. Ah!
On my shoulder.
With the ability to freeze.
I forgot my line.
You suck. A mortal, I mean a keeper. Sir, a mortal has escaped from the... Sir, a mortal has escaped from the prison of souls.
Escape from this game, it is shit.
Of immortality.
You did it.
Sir. I'm sorry.
What? You said sir. We have toyed with the ninja long... Do not question... forget it. We have toyed with the ninja long enough. Do not fail me. We, you and I. We, you, me, everybody in this room. Oh,
this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers?
Oh god, this is Jesus. Oh, is that the end of it? No more bloopers? Please. This is what you could have seen all along. Well, everybody, that was Mortal Kombat Sub Zero Mythologies. Even though this game was an endless source of frustration, I think generally this stream was very fun to do. In fact, it somehow, through its bullshit and just cheesiness of the FMV stuff, I think this actually became a really, really fun FMV Friday, even though it's just stupid as hell. But yeah, that was funny as fuck. Holy shit! Between Peking Palace, all of our dogs, and the Mystery Zone Eugene, and the bloopers, like, it was fucking great. Wow, I really enjoyed that. But yeah, there we go. What a what a stream. But anyway, God damn it. The only way we could top this off now is we had some, like, Peking Palace food, but I guess they went on business. But people are saying in chat, though, that they still have, what do you call it? It's reborn in a new place. Like, they changed management or whatever, but still, it's a little unfortunate. But Eugene went to where the Peking Palace went, the void. Exactly. Shinnok did it. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to switch over to Kaizo Mario here, but sit tight and more games coming right up. But once again, this was really fun to do, and I can't wait to maybe check out the other PlayStation 1 game, which is Special Forces with Jax in it. But yeah, anyway. Trustable food.